Today we are playing Flood Runner, Armageddon, personal best, instructions, options, leaderboard, nope, and I can't get out. First praise day.
It was funny. It was funny.
Let's go.
Yeah, we was cool, but we wasn't like friends.
Let's play.
She texted me.
She wore that same shoe every day. That boots looking up.
What kind of shoes would she be wearing anyway? It'd be like some tan looking. I know.
And you can fly in this game too. You got different levels. It's awesome. There's two of them. There's one with black. You can be Superman on this. Fly the dragon. What can you do? You do a lot of stuff basically on here. The coolest thing is that there's a flying level. That's what I like the best. And sorry for the disruption in the background to all these other girls. I'm in school right now in my first period, so yeah. So yes, we are playing. Woo! See how long we can go. Yeah. Football 12. No! Dang it. No! Let's go. I will survive. I want to jump. Why do I keep flying?
Yeah, she's not.
Oh, Superman. It's Superman I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. There's creatures in the water if you follow me. So like, see, look. Oh, right. Get off. Woo, so awesome. Dang it, okay. Oh, destroyed.
Okay, some people are still working on their test, so you need to keep it down. Y'all were doing a good job. Don't make me move you back to your seat.
This is so loud. So awesome. Oh yeah, I'm invincible to fire. Oh, I'm on fire. It does hurt your health. Oh. Oh yeah, save me. Ooh. Oh. Oh, well, game over. Look at all this. We would do a part 2 sooner or later, and it's the first time for me playing. I'll submit my score. Well, this will be the end of my Flood Runner game. I might be playing the second one next game. But, yep. And thank you for watching. Bye.